So hello friends, welcome back to Code Soul. And in last video we have seen that we have done some, like we have done if else and else statement, and now in this video we are going to make our first software. We are excited for making our first software in Python by Android. We're making a calculator in it. So you would be happy. And before starting, I want to say that please like, share and subscribe the video. So let's start. So in this what we are going to make, we are going to make our software. We are all happy. We're making our first software in Python Android. So let's see. We're making a simple calculator by which someone can calculate his or own things by if else statement, else statement, print statement, many things. So let's get started. So first in this I am not taking any more things. Now in this I am going to do print. We are going to print. Sorry, we'll be taking first the input as name. I'm making fully or you can do anything input, and our surprise is also there for you. If you need the surprise, watch the video till end. Okay, so enter your name. First we'll be asking him a name. Okay, we asked him name. Okay, then print welcome. Then we can do plus. I told you how we can do plus. Hmm, that was okay. Now we'll be giving some options like, first option will be our addition. Add. Okay, add. Our second option will be for him will be subtract. And if you are not able to listen my voice, so you should put some earphones. Okay, as you be subtract, they can understand easily. And a surprise is also there. I'm going to tell you that surprise. Okay, then we will be taking third as subtract. Then we will be taken multi multi. Let's full spelling only. Multi p oh sorry, so I multiply SUBTRACT, subtract ADDIT. Okay, then print. We'll be printing what? We'll be printing fourth as division, DIVISIO and division. Okay, now choose, CHOOSE, choose. This spelling you have to write. Whatever spelling you will be writing, that only will be coming in it. So we'll be choosing what? Input will be taken from the user. That input will be INPUT input. Input will be what? Enter your enter enter your sorry, sorry. CHOICE, choice. That will be 1/2/3/4. Okay, we have four options now. If CHOOSE, choose equal 1. So let me put it. Okay, 1. Then we'll be printing. First we'll be printing that print what? WLCOME, welcome to ADDITION, addition corner. Then we'll be adding his name, and we can add name. Okay, so name. Okay, then we will be taking first input as a is equals to int integer input input. What will be the input? What will be the input? Int or enter the FIRST first digit. Digit. Okay, the first digit. What is the first digit they will be entering? Then b is equals to int. Will be taking input int tip input. Then we will be adding int or enter the sorry enter the SECO and the second DIGIT digit. Okay, enter the second digit. Now Let me see that it will be directly if we should do, or like we should a plus b. Let's see. The name is code, welcome code, addition, subtraction. What happened? Use is not defined. Spelling happened wrong. Let me see. CHCHOOSE. Oh, sorry. Choose. I have put two. Okay, now I think so. Okay, yes. Yes, now it's okay. Yes. Now we have done first coding. Okay, enter the first digit. 23 plus 12 is equals to 35. Correct. Okay. See, we have got the first digit. Okay. Now what if the person choose LACHSOSC, choose, that is equal to, if we choose two number, then what we are going to do, we will be printing WALCOME, well. And one more thing, one specialty, that I will be not skipping a valuable chance. Okay, means I will tell you once. Let me write COME, welcome to subtraction corner. SUBTRACTION, subtraction CORNER, corner. Okay. Okay, that now let me copy paste these numbers only, because we have this. Let's copy paste this only. Okay, let's copy this. Okay, because we need this only. No, we have to only do plus minus difference only, that will be doing. Let me do backspace. Okay, a b integer, input the first digit, input the second digit, and a plus b, a minus b. This much error difference. No, that you can also do. Name we need. Okay, now elif again. Okay, so let's do it again. Elif, let me copy this whole legit code and paste it here. I have put elif choose will be r3, because it's our third digit. So third digit. Okay, third digit we have got. Now input the welcome to subtraction. What was the third? Third was multiply. Okay, come to multiply, multiply. Second digit, and now we'll be printing a multiply b. A, there is some multiplication sign. A multiply b. Okay, we have got this also. Now elif choose 4. Okay, elif choose 4. Now it is the division corner, I think. Yes, no? Yes. Okay, let me see. DIVISIO and division corner. Division, that also I have told you that we will be putting slash for division. Now we'll be doing else PRI, means it does not choose 4 values, then else print enter a VALUE value, B enter a PROPER proper VALUE proper value, BETWWN between 1 to 4. Okay, now let works. Okay, let us work this 31 code. What is the error? Oh, sorry, a multiply with this sign will be not coming in. A multiply b, that I forgot to tell you. What happened? This in choose 3 I put 2. Let me erase this one. In every only error I have put 2. A plus b, let me erase it. Okay, now okay. And this one only, and this one only, this one only. Now yes, I forgot this. I was thinking only. In this multiply we put this one sign. Multiply this one sign upside down. Now it's okay. So yes, now code addition, subtraction. Let's do first addition. Welcome to the addition corner code. Enter the first digit. Let's enter 23 Now more digit, more like anything digit will be printing. Okay, so we have printed. Now you can see the answer. Okay, we have got addition. Now let's do our code. Now let's do subtraction. Okay, subtraction, let's do 45 cents. See, this you can see subtraction one. This will only verify that it's doing subtraction. Okay, this is the subtraction. Now let's do what is the next. Multiply. Let's do 12 multiplied to 12 to the 24. Correct, means it will be giving accurate answer. This also you think. Or now let's do last digit 4, 12. Let us do this one full. This is a very famous, it will be useful for you see like 1.00000 minus e minus 06. This is the proper answer for this. Now you see, apart from 4 we write, then what it comes. Let's try 6. Enter a proper value between 1 to 4. Okay, so this is our full software. How many 12 minutes, not 10. Okay, now what happened, we have made our 29 code software with our Python and Ruby. It's the first software, so don't forget to like and share, subscribe. And I think you are waiting for the surprise which I was going to give you. So the surprise is that a form will be coming, like how type of form, that also I'm going to tell you in after when the 20 videos will be over, or when our 20 videos will be coming on YouTube. After that a form will be giving in every video. In one video or two videos I'll be giving form in every video, but what in that you have to fill the form, your name and every detail about you, and you have to submit the form. So the form will be submitted to me and I will be adding them in our members list. Because on YouTube if you take our membership, so it costs, but I am giving this free. So membership will be in free. Then after, what I'm going to do, who will be giving, who will be filling the form, so they will be getting till 20 video. How many codes we have written on that, all the codes of software. Like this one code I will be giving first of all, like one day one, like this I will be giving every code to the participants who will be doing. On that also I'm going to bring our different videos, so for that also you should wait about 20 minutes. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching, and wait for the next video. So thank you.